What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time, welcome. Please make sure you smash that subscribe button. And link below is for our Patreon page, which we do all kinds of epic giveaways. We just announced another one, so check out the page for that. What is going on today? Okay, so today, yeah, it's kind of rainy and all that, which sucks, but whatever. But if you've been following for the channel for a while, you know that a while back we delivered Scott's COYOTE swapped notch pack. Well, it's back, and you're going to see here real shortly why it's back and what's the what. So let's rock and roll. Alright guys, and just like that, we are out at the shop. Now before I show off the special guest, I actually have to show off what's been going on out here with the brand new shop. Because the weather kind of sort of broke a little bit. Yeah, kind of sort of. As you can see, construction has began. Gone. I can't talk today. But yeah, check it out. New shop on the way, got all the blocks there, got the footing sort of done, but that, ladies and gentlemen, is where the magic is going to happen. A whole lot of cars going to be swapped out there. Now, it's kind of hard to get an idea how big it is. It's 40 by 48, so it's going to be plenty big. The lift's going to be over here. That's where all the major assembly is going to happen, and then, of course, over here in the current shop, the main area, that's where we're going to have parts stored, maybe a car stored, stuff like that. And then on the lean-to over there, well, I say it's a lean-to, it kind of looks like a lean-to, that's going to be converted into a paint booth. So tons of room, lots of space. But anyway, let's go see who's here. Hold on a second. Who's this guy? Yep, Scott is back, and no, the car's not broken. What are we doing today, Scott?
Well, we changed out the torque converter, put the Circle D in it.
Nice.
Actually went with one that's spec for supercharger. That's
Oh, no kidding. Oh, well, supercharger coming soon? Are we doing like a pro charger, roots blower? What are we doing? Yeah. Nice. And this, since then, he's actually got the centers of the wheels powder coated. Digging it, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's looking good.
A little muddy.
Uh-oh, hold on. There it is right there. The Circle D 6R80 converter. And I'm actually kind of late today. They're already getting it back together. But exhaust is in. So what we got to do, just fill the transmission and let her eat?
Fill it up and
hell yeah.
bring it down.
Super curious to see what this thing does. Little blood transfusion. We'll flick the line. And did our oil change too? No. Alright, Scott, so you got about 1,000 miles on the swap. Like, how you feeling so far?
Oh, it's great. I would do it all over again.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Anything weird or quirky you've noticed about the car? It kind of does its thing.
Yeah. You know, the motor runs like it should. It actually it superseded my expectations, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, it will go. Yeah, it's about 1,000 miles on it. Yeah, I know it's dark, but
at first, full open throttle was a little sketchy.
did all kinds of funny things, right?
The rear end just kind of went a little crazy.
So I gotta ask you, has anybody found out how fast a COYOTE in a Fox body is yet?
I haven't found out how fast this one goes yet.
No, I mean as far as like in Mexico when you're out cruising or anything. Has anybody found out what this thing is actually capable of?
Well, another Fox body, coupe, buddy of mine, but he had a push rod motor in it, so
yeah,
I would expect him not to see to get in front of me.
Like a heads cam car? Or?
He's going to watch this later, I'm sure.
Yeah, okay, so he's trying not to, like...
Dog it too.
Right. But anyway, car runs good. Dude, you got to get this thing out to the track. See what's up.
Yeah, one of these days. Definitely.
I've also got to convince Dover to get his car out. And of course, mine, which is sitting out there.
Just get in the bath.
Yeah, it needed a wash anyway. It's covered in 6 months. Well, not 6 months. It's November. Yeah, quite a bit of dust.
It's like pretty close, 6 months.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
And I'm sick of it sitting there. I'm ready to drive this damn thing. So, Scott's car is running, checking fluid levels. Are you ready to send it?
Ready?
Just making sure all the fluid levels are good and see what the Circle D converter is gonna do. I'm super excited because, like I said 100 times, they're supposed to be really awesome. But if you were wondering where mine's at, here it is. Getting a little rain on it. It'll be all right. So the update on my car right now, the transmission is in the process of being built. Hi, Cody. Transmission is in the capable hands of Bob Hanlon, being built. Huge shout out to Bob Hanlon again. I had a tight budget. You know, we went back and forth on some different options to make it as strong as I needed but fit my budget. They made it happen. So he's super busy. Shop is really busy, so I know it's going to take just a little while to get it done. But as soon as I get that in, which right now we're shooting for before the event, the car will be there. I've got the control pack with me, which I'll let you check out later. So yeah, now we're just trying to get this fluid level ready and see what Scott's car does with the new car. So we're moving cars out of the way to get Scott's car out. Cody is driving the beater. Cody, how do you feel?
Oh, this thing is awesome.
Like, I mean, how do you feel right now?
Powerful.
It's amazing.
It is. I feel like I can take on the world.
Yes, your life will change after this day. There you are, Cody, driving the beater. Oh, dude, I didn't even see the new tag.
No. See the new taillights?
Oh, and the new taillight. I love it. Hell yeah. And got the tattoo. She's ready to rock. All right, so we're going to see what this Circle D will do, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Make sure my shoes are clean because new floor mats. All right. So the maiden voyage with the Circle D converter. It is a little wet outside, so
Yeah, I don't know how wild we're going to be getting.
unfortunately we're not going to be able to really get too crazy, but just kind of see how it goes. All right, here we go. See how she feels. All here. All right, so we got the car back to the shop. We're going to do a little bit of adjustment and maybe go out and make another hit, just see what we can see here. But Scott also got the new system installed in the car. We got to jump in, look in the trunk, see what's up with that. 2 JL subs. How many watts you pushing?
I think 500.
500 watts.
It's a mild.
Yeah, she slams. All right, so let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Is it ported box?
No, sealed.
Sealed box?
Yeah, I'm sure everything are underneath inside the wheel well.
Yeah. She makes some noise, that's for sure.
Yeah, we heard you coming.
Love the tag. I got to do something with that. Alright, so we got the linkage adjusted. Scott's going to pull out for another test, see what she does. Alright, let her rip. Alright, so there it goes. I'm gonna try it again. Oh my God. Woo! I know y'all heard that. Oh my God. That thing just squats and just goes. Woo! Is mine done yet? All right, let's see what the verdict is.
Yeah, good deal.
How's she feel? Dude, when you left, that was like goosebumps. God.
Was it?
It just like, the ass end just squatted and it was just gone.
I can't wait to see the video. That was only half pedal.
Yeah, but you can't even give it full throttle when it's like this wet outside. God.
I don't want to go too.
That's why a coyote, huh?
Exactly.
That's it right there.
Why coyote? Right freaking there, baby. Ken has showed up. Ken wants a ride in Scott's car. So
Definitely.
who has Scott to say no? So here we go. Obviously I don't get to ride this time, but you saw the pull videos. Car's running really good with the Circle D. And Ken's got his wife's 15 out here. We'll cover why later. Maybe we
That's
will,
a whole
maybe we will.
video. That is a whole video.
All right, Ken, so there you go.
Oh, I'm not going. I'm going to go. I'm used to
Ken
driving.
wants to drive. He's like, screw the ride. I want to drive.
Oh man, I don't want to get.
It's already dirty.
Yeah, it's not. All right, so we need a Coyote cold start before y'all leave. Here we go. And let her rip. Yeah, buddy. Now we're gonna see when Ken gets back. Is he gonna change his mind? Time for a Fox. All right, so.
Hold on.
Okay. We're not demonetized yet, so you just rode. What's the verdict?
I love it. I love it.
Freaking monster, isn't it?
It is.
All right, guys. So Scott's gonna load the car up. He's got to head back. And okay, yes, I'm off the monster wagon. Okay, whatever. But Scott's got to take his car back. Uh-oh, another Coyote cold start. We're gonna get it loaded on the trailer, and he's actually kind of sort of promised to be at my event June 9th. Yes, I rented out the track. Make sure you're there. It's gonna be a hell of a time, but you may get to see Scott's car there as well. Fingers crossed. But in the meantime, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Link below for the Patreon page, giving all kinds of killer deals away. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, that's about it. Later.